welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and trying on of the November Boxycharm Base box. Now this is the $25 a month box, but before we get on into this unboxing, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I don't know, does it seem smaller this month? Maybe not. Maybe this is what it always looks like. So I did get a card this month, and the theme is Harvest, and it's a very fall looking card. So it's got pumpkins and just acorns and pine cones and just greenery. It's a very pretty card. I actually really like this month's card. I actually really like it. So then of course on the back it has all the products and the prices, and then they sent another little promo card here for Natasha Denona, and it's a 25% off coupon or coupon code. Alright, let's go ahead and get on into the box. So here's what the inside looks like. I'm going to start with the non-makeup products first, and we have two of them in this month, which we have two in this box, or at least for me, I have two. So first one is from Volitition, and it is the Snow Mushroom Water Serum. I don't know what snow mushrooms are. Anyways, it looks like it's a primer, or not a primer, it looks like it's a moisturizer. Box looks pretty nice. And it looks like this retails for $62, which doesn't surprise me. Skincare is super expensive. Let me get the bottle out. It's a nice looking bottle. It's got the frosted kind of glass on it. There it is, and it's got like a pump right there, I guess. It's not a pump, it's like probably I don't know if I really want to open it. I'm assuming it's a dropper, and this is like the dropper part, but I've never seen it to where it's like a button. Usually it's just like a squeezy thing. But anyways, very nice looking product. Glad to have it, but I mean, I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, and I probably won't for a while because I have a ton of other moisturizers that I need to use up first, but I am glad to be able to try it out. Alright, and then the next thing in here is by Yensa, and it is a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. Now, honestly, I probably won't keep this just because I am not really a big fan of masks, and this is one that you put on, you know, leave for like 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe off. I'm just not a big fan of those. I prefer more serums or masks that I can just leave on the skin and it, you know, absorbs into the skin. I'm not one for these type of things, so I probably won't be keeping this. I'll probably pass it on to a friend or family. But let me see what it says about on a card. So this retails for $45, which again is another pricey skincare product. Alright, and then moving on to the makeup products. So we have 3 more products left in the box, and the first thing I am seeing in here is by Jacques Block, and it is a liquid corrector. Again, this is probably not a product that I will hold on to because I don't typically do color correcting, and this retails for $15. Let me open it. I'm not gonna, you know, open the cap or anything, but I will just open the box and show you guys the actual product. So it's just a little squeezy tube. But yeah, not really excited to get this in my box. I'm not a big fan of color correctors. I'm just not a big fan of them, and I never use them. So this is not, I don't know. I'm not happy to get this in my box. Alright, and the last 2 products, the first one we have is from Benefit, and I think this is the product that I chose, I customized, and this is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Micro Brow Fiber Gel. It's a brow product. It's a brow gel. Now, I'm not sure, but this almost looks like a travel size. I'll have to look into that. Because with Boxycharm, you're supposed to get full size products, and this looks like a travel size to me. It's not very big. I don't know, maybe this is the size of it. But anyways, I'm really excited to try this out. So, I'll be trying this product out today. That's why I don't have anything on my brows yet, because I knew I was getting this. And that retails for $24. Alright, and then last but not least is the product that I'm most excited about getting in my box. When I saw that this was an option, or a possibility to get my box, I was really hoping I would get it, and I did, and that is the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette here. So, super happy to have gotten this in my box, and this retails for $48. I just can't believe that this retails for $48. It's like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-pan shadow, $48. Anyways, I'm super excited to try this out today. Alright, so that's everything in my box. Let me go ahead and tally everything up and see what the overall value of my box is for this month. Alright, so the overall value for my box this month was $194, which is pretty good considering I only paid $25. So let's just go ahead and get on into the trying on part now. I will only be trying out 2 products, and that will be the palette and the brow gel. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and try this brow gel out. I don't really know if I'm supposed to put anything down. Like, can I put brow product down, or do I just go in with this? I think it's a tinted brow gel. Let me look. Yeah, it has some, wow, it's a really small brush. It's a very tiny brush, and it does have like a tint to it. It doesn't say a shade or anything on it, but it does have a number 4 on it, so I don't know if that's like the shade. But anyways, let me go ahead and try this out. I do really like how small the brush is. So it doesn't have a lot of tint to it, like it's not very, you know, it doesn't have a lot of shade to it. It's not really filling my brows in like I would like, so I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with just a brow pencil, and then I'll just use this to set my brows, because it's not really filling them in. It's just not really filling them in like I like them to be filled in, so I'm just going to go ahead, fill my brows in, and then I will kind of set my brows with that brow gel. I don't know, I think this product is okay. I mean, I don't really notice it doing much to my brows. I mean, like I said, it says it's tinted, but it's not very tinted, so it would be more like a brow gel. I don't really notice it like making my brows lay down a certain way. It's just, the only thing I really like about it is the size of the brush, because it's tiny and it makes it easy to use. But like the actual product wise, I'm just not, I don't think it's that special. It's not bad, it's just, I don't know, I've heard so much about this product, like everyone loves it, but I don't really notice it doing anything to my brows. I'll keep playing around with it, but so far it's just an okay product. Alright, so let's move on to the product that I'm most excited about. I'm so happy that I got this in my box, guys. I don't have any Natasha Denona palettes. I mean, I'm cheap, so I don't really want to spend the money on them, so I was really excited that this was going to be in the box, or the chance of it being in the box was there. Because unfortunately, Boxycharm does do that thing where there's so many different variations, so I didn't even know if I was going to end up getting it. But I'm glad I did. Alright, so, not really for sure what I want to do. I think I'm going to go into this shade here. They don't have shade. They have shade nades on the back, but I don't really want to figure out. I'm just going into this pinkish peach shade. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I guess I'll zoom you guys in. I forgot about that. Apologies. I guess I should have done that when I did my brows. Sorry. Alright, now I think I'm going to go into this orangey shade right over here and just kind of pack that on top of what I basically just did. Kind of staying more towards the actual lid part, not much the upper crease. This shade is super pigmented. Alright, now I'm going to go into this kind of dark brown shade and kind of deepen up the crease section, or the corner part right here. Alright, and then I'm going to go into this gold shade here and put that all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my eyes, put a lipstick on, and then I'll be back to tell you guys my overall thoughts of this box. Alright, so I went ahead and finished up the rest of my face off camera, just so you guys didn't have to watch all that. But, so let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So you guys know how I feel about getting skincare in box. I don't mind a little bit of skincare, but I don't know, I feel like this month was a little bit too much. I would have preferred just the one skincare instead of two, but that's just kind of like a complaint. It's not really that big of a deal. I mean, these are still pricey products, so, you know, the fact that I only paid $25 for this box and I got two products that are well over $25, I mean, it's a good deal. But it's just not my preference. I really am pretty disappointed to get this liquid corrector in my box. I feel like it's just a fill-in product. I don't really feel like, I don't know. I mean, it is makeup technically, so I shouldn't be complaining, but I kind of am. I don't use these, but I could end up passing this on to somebody else who might end up using it. Alright, and then the last two makeup products. I don't really like this product. It's nothing bad, it's just, I feel like for the hype that I've heard about this product so much, I just feel like it's a little bit disappointing. I don't really feel like it's bad, but I don't really feel like it's that great either. And, but I am happy to have gotten this in my box to try it out. I mean, it's better that I pay $25 and get this to try it out than to pay for this on its own and be disappointed. So I am glad that this was in my box because I've been curious about this product for a while. I just think it's okay. I mean, I'll still use it up. It's just I probably would not repurchase this after using this one up just because I don't love it. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this product. Maybe I didn't use it right. I don't know. I'll keep playing around with it, but I just don't feel like it did really much for my brows. And then last but not least, the Natasha Denona. I'm pretty happy to have gotten this. This kind of made the whole box worth it in my opinion. I mean, all the other products are just, they're nice products, but like just getting this in my box was pretty exciting. I think the shadows are actually really good. You know, they're super pigmented. I didn't really have much kick up. But honestly, guys, I just don't understand the price. I mean, although this product is really good, I don't know why it's priced at $48. I just think that's really expensive for just 5 shadows, but that's just a personal opinion. I'm really excited to try out one of Natasha Denona's products. I probably would never have purchased this on my own just because of the price. But I think that's pretty awesome that I got this in my Boxycharm. So overall, I'd say this month is worth it just because I got this one product. Like I said, the skincare is probably actually really good. I have so much and I don't go through it fast enough, so it's just like, oh, okay, you're gonna go sit in a drawer for a while. I am glad, I mean, even though I didn't love this product, I am glad I got to try this out. And this one, just a fill-in product, I didn't like that. I mean, I haven't tried it, but I just don't like getting that product, like I've said. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. if you like these types of videos. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this month's box for Boxycharm, and if you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm, what did you guys think of your box? Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!